Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video, we have discussed about the list compression in Python. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the Python methods. So what is methods? Methods are built-in function in Python. Okay, and generally method performs same task as the function does. And in like function, we also pass the argument in this method also. Okay, so here I write one simple format of that method. Okay, you can see here object dot this dot method means that the name of that specific method, and again we pass the different argument. Okay, so let's discuss the method one by one. So here I write one simple list. Okay, and as you know, list are the collection of different data types. So I included integer, float, and string. Okay, so here we use different method on that list. Okay, so if I print my list here, okay, you can see. Okay, if I want to any element into that list, for example, if I want to the 8 element, so here a built-in method is append, which works on the list. Okay, when I write list dot append 8, so you can see here if I write, then 8 elements is added into that list. Initially list has only 3 elements. Now you can see we again by using append method we add another element in that list. Okay, same built-in method which works on the list is count. Okay, for example, if I want to the count of word 8, okay, you can see here. So 8 count is 1. If I add appended 8 again into that list, so here 8 comes 2 times, and when I check the count of that 8, it shows me 2. Okay, okay, and another important, if you want to see the different method which work on that list, so in Jupyter notebook you need to list dot means our list variable, and then you just need to print the tab. Okay, okay, when you print tab here, you can see that append is method which work on the list, clear, copy, count, extend index, pop, sort. These are the different methods which work on that list. So we can use any one of the method which works on that list. Okay, if I want to print the index of that list, okay, so I write if I want to check the index of 10th element, okay, so it is in 0th index. Okay, if I want to print the index of that 15.9, okay, also there is a built-in method, we can say that help is also work as a method or built-in function, which when we write help after that list and our method, so it gives us the information about that built-in method. You can see here, if I print here, so it return me the help on built-in function append. Okay, append method of built-ins list insert append object the end of the list, means generally what happen when you use the append, so it automatically add the element into that list. Same way, if you want to check, I write help lst.index. Okay, so it gives me the information about that index method. You can see here. Okay, same way I take another example, and in this time I take the example of tuples. Okay, so I created one simple tuples. Okay, and if I want to check the count of tuples, uh, count of elements which is not in that tuples. If I write t dot count, count is here built-in method. So t dot count of 4, so it returns me 0. You can see here. If I added t of count of 5, so it return me the 1, you can see here. Okay, same way I want to check the which are the methods which work on the tuples. You can see here count and index, these are the method which are used on tuples. Okay, if I want to check the index of ninth value, so it is third index, you can see 0 1 2 3, so 9 is in third index position. Okay, same way I take another example. Okay, and in that example I created one dictionary simple. In that dictionary, name and designation as a key and its value. Okay, so if I print d dot keys, okay, so it returns me the keys of that dictionary. So here keys is the built-in method, you can see that. Okay, if I print d dot items, okay, so it returns me the key and value both. So this is basically we see in the dictionary section. Okay, and I explain it very deep when I am explaining about the dictionary. Okay, so again, if I want to check the which are the methods which work on that dictionary, so I print uh, d dot tab. So in Jupyter Notebooks, it return me the all the methods which work on that dictionary. Okay, if I want to check the values of that dictionary, so it return me only the value, you can see here. Okay, so thank you friends. I will add this code in the description of my YouTube video. So please subscribe my channel so you can get the update about this.